So dear student, this is the Cauchy Riemann equation, okay, in Cartesian. So as you can see here, yeah, we have to prove what in the bottom it is there. Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. So this is what we have to prove, and we have to take continuity in this equation. That is, we have to use the limits. Okay, yeah. So the proof is nothing but the same as in the polar form. W is equal to f of z. Z is equal to x plus iy. Okay, as you can see here, this thing I'm talking about, these things. Okay, and W is equal to u plus iv. Fine, yeah. Then I'll take the function here, which I'm writing it down here. F of z is u of x comma y, correct, plus iv of x comma y, and we let it be the analytical function. See, we all know z is equal to x plus iy, right? That only I'm writing as del z is equal to del x plus I del y. Okay, now with this I'm adding z x and y to this equation, z and x and y to this particular equation. Then once I do that, then if I take the limit delta z to 0 in this, the yellow color line, correct? So I'll do what, f of z of z plus del z minus f of z by del z, this one. Now replace this z plus del z function, correct? As you can see here, u of x comma y and iv of x comma y, that same thing. U of x plus del x and iv of this minus f of z. F of z is this itself, that I'll write it down, by del x plus I del y. Then split it into real and imaginary. Real will have u and imaginary will have v. Okay, so once you're clear up to this, yeah, we will make what, the del z is equal to 0. Del z is equal to what? 0. Then come down. Let me just, yeah. Then we have to do the necessary calculation here. The meaning is, just write down the same step again. Which one? Whatever you get here, right? The same step here. Only thing, this limit you will put it inside. The limit you will put it inside. You can see here clearly. For u there is a limit, for I there is a limit. Okay. Yes. And write down the same thing, f of z plus del z minus f of z is dou u by dou x plus I dou u by dou y. Yes. Then take the real part here, u. This is my u and this is my imaginary part. Same thing, nothing much we are doing it. Correct? Yes. And then finally what we do? We substitute what? Del z is equal to 0, which means the y and x should be equal to 0 respectively. Okay, and here you can see an I, right? I'll just mark this thing, this I. 1 by I is nothing but minus I. This you can do in calculator also. Then you will get this thing, analytical function. Minus I dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou x. Okay. Yeah. Then once you're substituting this equation 2 in the first equation, this equation 2 in this, let me just show you the thing. This one into here. Okay. So these two things should be equal. Equate it. Once you equate it, then what I'll get? Take the real and imaginary part. The real part is dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y. Imaginary part I'll circle it. I dou u by dou x and I minus I. That only you are getting it. This is my CR equation in Cartesian form. So that's it. So you have to practice it, then only you'll be able to get it. So thank you so much.